Welcome everybody. Thank you for joining this event as part of the PTA conference. Today we want to talk about how physical therapists can use AI to advance and enhance their practices. Okay, so common challenges for PTs, especially when you have your private practice, is mostly one of these. You have challenge with administrative work, with patient retention and engagement, possibly marketing and growth. Keeping up with the industry changes obviously requires a lot of time and attention. And financial management, scaling the practice if you want to scale and grow more. So show me by raise of hands, how many of you faced any of these challenges before?
Me.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. So yeah, see, these are common mostly challenges. Any other challenges possibly that we have not listed here? Yeah, so I think that we got pretty much covered everything. Now, as a patient of a physical therapy, which I have been in like different offices before, I can see what was the challenges for me. So the challenges for me was that the quality of care, unfortunately, was not like the best that I thought that it could be. The effectiveness of care was not as effective as I expected that to be. And then therefore the cost, so it was not cost efficient. And then I tell you one by one, the quality of care, I think because there was no connection of in between session, there was a gap. So I was in a session, like my PT told me what exercises to do, and then I either forgot or I didn't do it right. So the next session we had to, pretty much spend half of that just reviewing what we discussed in the previous session. But AI can really improve all of that with the recent advancement in image processing and video processing and deep learning in Gen AI. It's now doable to have an eye on patient while they are not in your practice, and then we can provide a tool that enables you to make that improvement based on data, based on analytics. So it's a very data-driven insight. The second one, effectiveness of care. So because there was a gap and because sometimes there are communication problem, so we have to go through the same routine over and over and over again. But then with the recent development with the AI, we can enable features that enhance that on a real time while you're not there. So while they're doing their practice and their routines, with the use of AI and Gen AI, we can provide that level of assistance. So you see, AI can be there as your assistant at their home, not replacing PTs. As you know, the common wave of, oh, AI is going to replace everything. No, it doesn't have to be that way. But it's, as a PT, it's really important for you to know the limits and the full power of the AI when it comes to physical therapy. And then, of course, since we are improving the patient care and then experience, it's obviously also cost effective. It reduces a lot of burden on the physical therapy side, on the patient side, and also obviously for insurance. So I would like to know from you who has a private practice, currently, how do you follow up with your patients when they are not in the office? Yes, please.
Well, it's very time consuming what we do.
Sure.
What I do, I have to go person by person. If I get the chance, just text them or see what they're doing, how they're doing, what they're doing,
Right.
which I still don't know if they verbally tell me, oh, I'm doing the exercise,
Right.
but I'm like, are you really doing it correctly? So if I have time to follow up, that follow up, I'm not sure if it's effective. So I'm looking for something, if you guys have anything to help us with that,
Definitely.
to follow up more better actually. With a better quality.
Definitely. So what I'm hearing is that there is no process to automate this. It's very kind of with the messaging and then with the pictures, it's all over the place.
It's either no follow-up
Yes.
until next visit, or if you want to follow up, it takes a lot of energy and time.
Yeah, exactly, and that's what we also heard from our study that we did and questionnaires that we did, that there is currently no solution for that. So that's one of the area that at Cybele Health we are helping specifically PTs to leverage on their practice. But aside from that, another area that you can grow your career and advance your practice is selling online courses. And why is it important is that there is one routine probably and most definitely that you use for all the patients. So there is a spectrum of, for example, posture or shoulder stiffness, that you use the same practice for different patients. And then you can like teach people online, and you will be surprised how much people don't know about it. So you can use that also to renew your license. You can also use the online courses, obviously broadens your reach to the new clients, more people. It's a free way of advertisement. And based on the study that we did, most of the online platforms, which are obviously general platforms, they are not specifically designed for healthcare. PTs who create online courses and sell online courses can add a stream of income from 1,000 to 7,000, in some cases even more, by only creating online courses and selling those online. And the good thing is that, yes, you have to spend some time on crafting a course, and it takes time, but it's only one time. So you spend only one time creating that course, taking some videos, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but then you can sell it over and over and over again. You can also use that for a package to your clients. Say, I have this course, just go check it out, and whenever you're confused about the, one of the routines, you can always access that. The other thing that we provide on our platform is helping track and analyzing patient progress. So currently, as one of our audience said, there is no way to track how they are progressing unless they come to the office. So we help you to get that data that we collect from user while they're at their home or at their office, doing those practices. We analyze the data, we capture everything, we create great summaries, and then we send it over to you so you can use that. And then early this year of January of 2024, insurance policies adopted new codes for digital non-face-to-face follow-up. So that means it's initiated from user, they send you a text, an image, a video or something, and then you respond with a comment. So, and that's considered as a digital follow-ups. And then there are new codes for that. These are the codes. And then it enables you to, even for that 5 or 10 minutes that you're spending, reviewing those pictures or summaries and responding, to build insurance and even create more income. As you see, you can, by just doing a quick math, you can increase your income. So easily, by just taking these 2 steps, you can increase your income by 5 to 15K, and it is very doable. Anybody who has used any of these insurance codes that this year was announced? I was wondering what was your experience?
I haven't, but I think this is a great thing if I have some tool to basically use these codes. I was always afraid to do that. I needed a tool, so I think I found it now. So.
Sure. And so these are great. And I would say that even if you're not working with insurance, as a patient, I would pay for telemedicine kind of a visit, talking over a phone or a video chat to my PTs before, and I would gladly do that because it was 1/10 of a session, and it saved me time to travel to the office back and forth and so many other things. And this way, it's like kind of a win-win scenario for your clients and for your practice, and it improves the quality of care really. Okay, so so this is our platform. It's called Cybele Health. It's very easy. You just go to our website, and this video shows you what to do. You sign up, chose as a register as a provider. You just insert your email address, and then from there we'll send you email. You click on the email. You use a username that's going to be shown as your name when you create any material or any post any topics or course. You set your password, you use that password, log in, and then here you see like we have topics and different posts on different topics, nutrition, everything. Then you can see here the courses that have been published. You have a journaling feature that clients or even you can use to journal your thoughts and any progress. You can attach videos and picture, you can save it. And for providers, we have analytics dashboard. So you go to your course, create course. It's very easy, copy paste. I usually do that on a page, as we can see, or a board, and then I just copy paste. But we all have all these features to format it and shape it. And then for the cover page of the course, you have to do this draft. You can choose the enrollment, like the cost of it, and then you can add different modules. It could be just a picture, it could be an article, or it could be a video. But even for the articles, you can still attach pictures to it, and it's very convenient. Just take some time. And we have this public feature here that it's a good practice to choose one of the pieces of information in a course to advertise that. Then it's freely available, and then you can add as many steps as you like. It takes some time. Currently, the limitation is that video should be less than 100 meg. You can add some tags that's useful for searching and filtering. Then you can draft it, and then later on, when you're confident and done, you can come and publish it, and voila, you see that on our page. And this is what people will see when they see your course, our members. Then you can come to the analytics dashboard, and it shows you how many enrollments, what are the feedbacks, how much money you created of that so far. So it's very easy. So here's how it works. We usually charge members $30 per month membership, but only today for the first 50 PTs who join our platform, we are going to reduce it only to 99 cents.
Yay.
So it's no way. And use this promo code. The membership is going to be for annual, so for $11.99, you get the full year membership. We help you to create the course content. We help you to advertise it by attending one of our podcast sessions. And we will create one dedicated blog post on our website, which we have viewers all over the world, specifically for you. So sign up today, scan this barcode, sign up today, and we will create a new platform for all of our members to join and learn more and increase your visibility, improve your practice, and use AI to enhance all of the work that you're currently doing. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.